Angie, and I am the plant-loving mom. I'm a mom to 5 kids, ages 4 to 11. I hope to inspire you to eat more plants without breaking the bank. If you would like more recipes and tips, please like and subscribe to my channel. Our family loves salt and vinegar potato chips, but they aren't good for you, even if they are vegan. Today, I'm going to show you our family's favorite chickpea recipe. It has all of the flavor of potato chips without any added fat. Plus, chickpeas are a great source of calcium, iron, and potassium. Let's get started. To make this recipe, you'll need 2 cans of chickpeas, 2 cups white vinegar, salt, a saucepan, parchment paper, and a baking sheet. First, we need to drain and rinse the chickpeas. And then we'll dump them into our saucepan. I've already dumped the other can in. Now we'll measure our vinegar and pour it into the pan. Okay guys, now we need to put the lid on and put it on the stove, turn the burner on high for 15 minutes. Our chickpeas have been cooking for 15 minutes. Now we're going to shut off the burner and let them sit in the pot for another 30 minutes. Now it's time to preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While we were waiting for our oven to preheat and the chickpeas to finish soaking, I lined a roasting pan with parchment. Now that our 30 minutes is up, I'm going to drain the chickpeas. Now we'll dump our chickpeas out on the pan. Kind of want to shake it a little bit like this just to get them to spread out. You don't want too many touching each other because they work best if they have a little bit of room around them. Now you're just going to take your salt shaker and you're just going to salt the top. And that's it. Now it's time to put them in the oven. We'll set a timer for 10 minutes and then we'll stir. So I'm just gonna put these in the oven and I'll be right back. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Now it's time to stir these. Be careful when you open your oven door or you'll get a vinegar facial. Just step back for a second and let all that hot steam out. Now set your timer for 10 minutes and we'll stir again. Because ovens vary, this can take anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes to finish. You need to check to make sure the chickpeas are golden brown. It's been 25 minutes and our chickpeas are done. Now we're going to let them cool and we'll enjoy them in a few minutes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel and check out these new videos.